Hi guys, welcome to my studio. This is C4 the Outlaw, and I wanted to give you guys a walkthrough of my recording studio and where I do my podcast and all my interviews and stuff. So this is what it looks like right here. Nice little view. I won't walk off as yet, so you guys can take a good look at what you're seeing. So let's go from this side over here. I'm gonna tell you guys about my microphone. My microphone that I have right here. This is the Rode NTA1, and really great, crisp, clear microphone. A lot of bass come through. My voice is a bit more bassy, so a lot of bass come through on this microphone right here. And as you can see, I got a small collection of alcohol. Only drink when people come over, so definitely enjoy myself a little bit. C4 Outlaw, that's my logo, handmade. If you guys want one of those, just let me know. My lady bought me that hat right there. These speakers right here are my Rocket 8. Really nice, clear, crisp speaker. If you want to do like audio monitoring, best speaker you can find on the market right now. The M Audio BX5, small little monitors right there. Those monitors are just for like backup for me. They're pretty good. You know, if people are here and I don't want to turn it up too loud, then I just turn those on. My Yeti microphone, I use that mostly for recording small stuff. If I ever have to like do like my podcast and stuff, then I'll just pop out an arm, put it on the desk, connect it to my Focusrite right there. And when I connect it to my Focusrite, I'll have like a better crisp quality coming out of it. That's the Akai Mini right here. Try to make some beats in Fruity Loops. We got the Logitech keyboard and the Logitech Master Mouse right here. Really smooth and comfortable mouse. That mouse is amazing. Like, it's Bluetooth. Was gonna get the Bluetooth keyboard, but because my son comes down every now and then and play a game, I wanted for him not to have that log in it. So I just want to make sure that he has something that was pretty cool. As for lighting, what I'm using right now, got the nice Frodo softbox right here. Got that offline. I think it's Amazon that I got it off. And then we have the Godox SL 150 watt light, and this light can get really extremely bright, like super bright, really bright for it. As you can see in this corner right here now, I got my camera, and I'm just trying to see if I can make it to where you can see the Canon sign at least. But this is the Canon 80D with a Sigma 16 to 35 on it. Really nice lens at 1.4. Pretty pricey, but I really like that nice wide angle that it gives you whenever you are you're doing your podcast and stuff, or your interviews and stuff. And over here I got the 32-inch LG monitor, which is a 4K monitor, IPS rated, best monitor I could find at the time to edit photos on, to give you like the accurate color and stuff on it. This monitor right here is the Philips 49-inch, and this Philips monitor right here is extremely handy when it comes to like multitasking, when you have like several things that you want to do, like PowerPoint, Excel, taking one things, copying and pasting stuff, editing in Premiere Pro. Oh, this is a deal right here. This is a deal. As for that monitor right there, that's not a monitor, that's actually a television, which is a Vizio 4K 42-inch TV, and I wanted it so whenever I'm watching like movies and stuff, I have something that I can really use as a reference monitor. Sometimes when I'm finished editing stuff and I want to throw it up, so that way I can get like a real idea of what the color spectrum is going to be, and just for my sake, in a sense, I really love it. Really nice. So that's my setup right there. My PC is down here, and it's not all that colorful, but it's really specced out as much as I could at the time when I bought it. I got it maybe around 3 to 4 years right now. And it's the RTX 1080 Ti that's in it, and we have i7 processor that goes up to, I think it's 4.2 when it's maxed out, and 64 gigs of RAM, 2 terabytes on the, what do you call it, NVMe SSD, but I know it's all SSD that's in there. We got no regular standard hard drive that's in it. It's really fast and quick, boot up like really quick when it boots up. Really, really, really quick. And as you can see on the desk, I made this desk myself right here. Put it down on those two things that are called Philip Drawers or something like that. I don't remember what their name is, but I got those as well off one of those sites. I bought them. I saw a guy on YouTube, and his desk was something like that right there. But his thing was just lit, and I saw it, and I'm like, you know what? I got to get a setup like that. So I went out and I purchased all these stuff, and the lighting and stuff inside here is pretty much spectacular. This is where you'll find me if you're looking for me, if you ever should come by. This is my spot right here, and that's my recording studio. And if you guys should ever happen to come by or want to stop by, this is where I'm going to be at. C4 the Outlaw. I'm out. Thank you guys so much for checking it out. I hope I did a good job at explaining most of the stuff that I got here. If not, then you guys can tell me in the comments below that I should have explained some more. Alrighty? Well, you guys have a great time. Bye-bye.